agencies are dealing with issues with staffing, and so it's very important that we continue to have access to the labor necessary to maintain our fleets. And so in that regard, we've got to pursue every opportunity we can to compete with other industries and to make sure that we've got the folks that are needed to keep our fleets going. We're having to develop from within a lot. And so we're not going to be able to source everything we need from outside. So we're going to have to take advantage of opportunities to develop in-house talent, look at different avenues, some of our unskilled labor trades, bringing them up through apprenticeship programs, that sort of thing, to get them geared up and ready to go to be effective in maintaining our vehicles. When people can see through in putting in a little work on their part that they can advance their opportunities, advance themselves, be able to provide a better living for their family, that sort of thing, they're willing to throw some skin in the game and try to get where they need to be, and where that is being effective at taking care of our fleet. There was talk about, I think folks were somewhat concerned on, is this an entitlement program? Some of these apprenticeship things and how you deal with that sort of aspect of it. And we don't look at it at all as an entitlement program. They have to earn their way in. They've got to remain productive through the program in order to stay in. And it's all a part of taking them from point A to point B. Point A being not having a whole lot of automotive skills to point B, somebody that's skilled in all the latest technologies. And to do that, it's a pretty intense instruction period, and they got to be ready to throw in on it. They're gonna have to invest in staff. I mean, you can't just continue to hope that people are gonna come through the door, the people that you need. You're gonna have to be proactive. You're gonna have to go out and look at every opportunity to find the labor that you need. They're just not gonna show up anymore like they used to. And so it's gonna take some more work, some innovation, and reaching out to try to get what you need. Always looking to learn things. I mean, it's absolutely necessary. You want to stay on top of the what's going on in the industry. You need to get out, need to network, talk to folks, take a look at products, and just interact with people from other agencies, find out what they're doing, how they're addressing common issues. It's always good to hear what others are doing, because we all have the same sort of issues, and depending on your region, there might be a little different approach to things. But you want to compare what others are doing to what you're doing. Make sure you're not falling behind the times. Make sure you're taking advantage of lessons learned by other folks so you don't commit the same mistakes. And so just trying to be efficient through information that's gathered at an event like this.